Yeehaw! Another segment for Family Small coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you.
This I picked up. It's called a Kiwi hot shoe extension bar. Plus I picked up a little. It's called a shoe mount. I'll show you what these are. Here I have my camera mount put on my light. And this hot shoe extension bar is nothing more than a piece of extruded aluminum. And I thought I might need this shoe mount, so I picked it up also. And it's a similar thing with a little thumb screw to lock and the threaded piece there. This was 10 bucks, but they gave it to me for half off. That can come in handy for other various things that I want to do. I noticed this come with a couple of little skid pads, I think they are. This here was $19.99 just for the extruded bar. Plus, the skid pads are for this bar mount that came with the extension bar. And I'll show you how this might work on your tripod. Such as, there we go, there's the bar. There. Now I have my light. What's nice about it, I even have a direction here that I can go with. There we go. But anyway, you can get this all positioned any way you like. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.